Welcome. In this video I will show you how to measure blood oxygen or SpO2 level on your Apple Watch Ultra 3. First of all, you have to open the apps list by pressing the digital crown once, then use the digital crown to scroll through the apps, and this way select the blood oxygen app, tap on it to start, and then of course wear your Apple Watch on your wrist. Try to place it farther than usual up your wrist this time. Make sure that it's snug but still feels comfortable on your hand, on your arm rather. Okay, and next make sure that your hand is resting and is facing up. The best decision would be to place it on the table if you can, so that you can rest it completely. Then press start and wait for 15 seconds. Try not to move your hand as much as you can, and then wait for the results to appear. And here are the results. You can learn more by pressing learn more about blood oxygen levels, and that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.